Please subscribe to my channel. Hello, welcome to Acey's Kitchen. Today on my menu, I am grilling chicken without oven or microwave. I'm using non-stick frying pan. In preparing it, I pour small oil in the frying pan, put the chicken in it and cover it with a glass lid. With a glass lid, it is very bad. You see how the oil tends to be because the vapor of the heat is going to spoil my grilling. So I now change into a silver lid, an aluminium lid, which will make it grill very well and beautiful. Just look at this. Wow. With this, I'm already satisfied. Just by the way. So you can do this without using the microwave or the oven. Just get yourself a non-stick silver in preparing it. Thank you very much for watching, and I am always here for you. Please leave your comment under and like my video.